Now for dessert, this was a quick one. Crust filling berries. You know me, I like 3 steps. So what we added another step. Right here, I'm just adding some honey to some Greek yogurt. How simple is that, right? Give that a nice stir. That becomes the basis of a tart. That's your filling. Put in your favorite topping, which we use some blueberries and some raspberries. But then, you know me, I had to do a little something extra. So took a little bit of cream cheese, right? And just added some sugar. So that way we had 2 elements in our tart. We had a bottom layer of the cream cheese and then a second layer of the Greek yogurt, okay? And then just top that with our favorite berries, some raspberries and some blueberries. Now, interesting enough, again, if you want to have a little bit of engagement, a little bit of interaction at the festival, you could pack it off and then do it in your setting, right? Or just go ahead and do it at home. Make sure you keep it nice and chilled. And there's so many great ways to carry items to your festivals, to keep them nice and chill. See how I started here? I'm just putting on the bottom layer of that cream cheese. Not a lot of thickness. I know you just kind of keep it simple, right? So once I spread that around, we use the shortbread crust. There's so many different crusts out there, so experiment a little bit. That one was a shortbread. We put down the cream cheese. Now here we go. We're adding in the Greek yogurt. This Greek yogurt has a lot of secrets out there. I even heard you can make biscuits with just Greek yogurt and flour and a few other items. And add in a little bit of vanilla. Took it to a whole other level, taste, texture, and everything. So I just mixed that, just spread it all around, just kind of lightly spread it around, and then of course topped it with my berries. All right, and you can use whatever's in season. Think about whatever's in season, but just think about, what if you're at home and you want something sweet but not too sweet? Keeping some berries on hand is easy to do when you run off to the market. The pie crust, you can buy enough pie crust. You can keep them in the fridge or freezer. We don't like to do a whole lot in the freezer, but you can keep these things on hand. And then when you want something, all you got to do is jump out here on our channel and see something easy and just go right into the kitchen and make it. Oh, yeah, got to add that powdered sugar on top. That took it to a whole other level. I almost look professional. Does taste really good. And when I want something sweet, I just go to the fridge and get a little bit of it. But this, I think, is going to be a favorite on the festival circuit. Hey, we live in Atlanta. We got a festival every weekend. All you got to do is just follow the buzz.